Are you looking to take your business to the next level? Developing a second growth engine may be the answer. Traditionally, companies have looked to adjacent markets for growth. But a new pattern has emerged, building large second cores, or Engine 2s. With 60% of big public companies experiencing growth stall or stagnation in the past 5 years, finding an Engine 2 is imperative. Take Amazon, for example. Their core retail business is supplemented by Amazon Web Services, a second growth engine that accounts for over half of Amazon's operating income. So, if you're looking to future-proof your business, consider developing a second growth engine. It's a strategy that has proven successful for many.